Hello everyone, my name is Rugved. I'm from IIT Kharagpur Electrical Engineering Department and my roll number is 20EE30008. This is the assignment 3 and it is the first part of this assignment, and here we have to use the Arduino DHT22 humidity and temperature sensor, and according to the temperature and the relative humidity conditions given, we have to light up the LED for the given time. So let us get started. So first we have to set up the sample project which is already given in the Proteus 8 demonstration application. And here we have to alter the source code. So what I've done is I've altered the source code according to the conditions which were given. Right, so let us get started. So at the starting of the code, what we have to do is we have to attach the pin number 13. Here I've attached the pin number 13 with the output. So you can see that here this is LED which is connected to the input output pin number 13. So what is this? This is the Arduino 328 board. Here we have the output LED which is connected to its 13th pin, and this is the Arduino DHT22 humidity and temperature breakout board. So this is basically our sensor which will give us the input data, and this is our terminal which will actually display the temperature and the relative humidity values. So first of all, here what I have done is I have attached the pin number 13 with the output. Now void loop is basically that the code which is present within this is actually run again and again after it is completed. Therefore we are using the uh, term loop, right? And delay 2000 means that after every 2000 milliseconds, that is after every 2 seconds, the data is being taken from the sensor. And here we have serial print function where actually the terminal prints the values of the temperature and the relative humidity. So let us start with this. So here I have used the if condition where we have different conditions according to the question. So the first condition is like temperature less than 15 and humidity is less than 25. So if this condition is present, so what will happen? So the thing which will happen is that the 13th pin will have high voltage for 1000 milliseconds, that is for 1 second. The 13th pin will have high voltage, that is the LED will be lit, and for 13th pin will have low again for the delay of 1000 milliseconds, right? And if the temperature is less than 15 and the relative humidity is greater than 60, then we will have high voltage at the 13th pin for 500 milliseconds and low voltage at the 13th pin, and these are the rest conditions. So what we can see that wherever the temperature and humidity are within the given conditions, we have different outputs from the LED. So I have already compiled the source code, and now let us try to simulate this. Okay, so first what we can see that here the LED would glow after some time based on the conditions which are given here. So you can see that the LED has glown for some time, then again it has remained switch off, again it would glow for some time. So now if let us say I change the values, let us say I make it 30, where the temperature is greater than 30 degrees Celsius, or let me make it, because we have the condition of greater than 28, so let me make it 30. So here you can see that the LED is now glowing at some different rate, which actually gives us the idea that the temperature and the humidity range is somewhat different. So based on the conditions which we have, you can see that the LED remains on for some time and then it goes off for some time. So here you can see that LED is glowing and then it is again getting switched off. So you can see that the source code is successfully running, and now we have a decent idea about how to do this project. So thank you very much for watching this.